Welcome back to PepTalk SelfTalk. Today, we are diving deep into the mysterious realm of decision-making and how to make wise choices. We all face countless decisions every day, big or small, and it's time we learn to listen to our inner voice to make the best choices for ourselves. So, grab a seat and get ready to connect with your inner self on a whole new level. Our inner voice is that gentle whisper inside us that often gets drowned out by the noise of the world around us. But if we learn to listen to it, it can be our most valuable guide in making wise decisions. So, how do we tap into this inner wisdom? First, let's understand the importance of slowing down and being present. In this fast-paced world, we're often rushing from one decision to another. Take a moment, breathe, and tune in to your feelings and thoughts. Next, embrace self-compassion. We're only human, and we're bound to make mistakes. Instead of beating ourselves up over past decisions, let's use them as lessons to grow and become better decision makers. Now, let's talk about intuition. Our intuition is like a hidden superpower. It's that gut feeling, that instinctive knowing, that tells us what feels right or wrong. Trust it. It might not always seem rational, but it's usually leading us in the right direction. But remember, intuition alone is not enough. Combine it with knowledge and reason. Gather relevant information, analyze the situation, and consider the potential consequences of your choices. So, how do we differentiate between our inner voice and external influences like societal norms or peer pressure? The key is to identify where the message is coming from. Is it aligned with your values and goals, or is it driven by external expectations? Listen to your heart, and you'll know. Our inner voice is authentic, and it speaks in alignment with our true selves. Don't be afraid to be different and listen to what sets your soul on fire. One common obstacle to hearing our inner voice is fear. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of the unknown. But let me tell you, growth and wisdom come from stepping outside your comfort zone. Be brave, be courageous, and embrace uncertainty. That's where magic happens. Remember, each decision we make shapes our journey and who we become. Don't let others dictate your path. Listen to your inner voice, and let it be your guiding light. That's a wrap on today's PepTalk SelfTalk. I hope you're inspired to cultivate a deeper connection with your inner voice and make wise choices from the heart. Trust yourself, and the universe will conspire to lead you to greatness. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. And as always, keep the self-talk positive. See you next time.